Helps prevent rig damage. Helps remind you to perform various RV tasks to prevent avoidable damage to your rig. Wraps securely. Firmly wraps around your steering wheel. Includes 9 steering wheel checkbands, 7 pre-labeled and 2 blank. The 7 pre-labeled checkbands include the following labels: slide out, exterior, hookups, antenna, vents, and trailer. Durable construction. Made of PVC and felt. Cameo's RV steering wheel checkbands help remind you to perform various RV tasks before you travel to prevent avoidable damage to your rig. Made of PVC and felt, they wrap securely around your steering wheel. Simply snap the band onto the wheel to remember a specific task and remove when it's completed. The pack includes steering wheel checkbands, 7 pre-labeled and 2 blank. The blank reminders are customizable. The 7 pre-labeled checkbands include the following labels: slide out, exterior, hookups, antenna, vents, and trailer. Top reviews from the United States. Get M. I came up with the idea of using my label maker and some kids' slap bracelets to make reminders to put on my RV's steering wheel. While looking for slap bracelets, found these. Everything I need, plus come with a couple you can customize. Why DIY when it's already done for you?